2015 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.